Good morning, lovies. I don't know when I'm gonna be putting up this video, so I'm just gonna say good morning, good evening, and good night. Or good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Anyway, so my eyes are not done yet because I'm gonna be filming 2 videos, but the first one is gonna be an unboxing. I literally have not opened this box at all, so grab your coffee. And let's sit down and go over what we've got. So we have got some Colourpop. I bought like a whole bunch of Colourpop palettes. They had like a little special where they had several of them. So it was six palettes. 6 of their like signature monochromatic palettes, and then I bought the one that they put out around Halloween. Don't talk about me. I know I'm a Johnny come lately, but it is what it is. So luckily, I literally have not touched this box. Oh, okay. So that one that I told you about, it's called Blowing Smoke. So it's a brown, gray, and black, gray, and silver palette. It came in one package by itself. So since this one is by itself, let's just give it a look, see what we got here. I'm going to do a look with one of those. I actually put up an Instagram and on my Facebook page asking people to vote on which one they'd like to see me do first, and so far I've gotten mostly yellow, so I'm gonna work on the yellow palette first, and next you guys can go on and either under this video let me know which one you'd like to see me do next. I'm gonna start with the yellow. Just leave me a heart with the colors that you like to see next. So this one is the Blowing Smoke palette. It's nice shiny plastic packaging, which is pretty signature of Colourpop palettes. This is pretty. It has a mirror. I believe that each one of them do. Let's see if we could take this off. Don't want to scratch it up, but it's hard as hell to get off. Okay. Just want to do it so I can show you guys the freaking mirror in here. It was really hard. There we go. There's the mirror. Nice, big size, easy to travel with. The package is kind of thin, I would say, but look at these colors in here. So this one has Young Love, which is like a white color, Smokin', which is a dark silver, Stone Face, which is like a concrete kind of gray color, Ignite, darker gray, which looks more, it's got actually, Ignite's got some shimmer in it, very subtly. It's hard to pick up, there we go, pick up on the camera, but it's got a little shimmer on it. Starstruck, which is a nice bright silver. Salted, which is a nice dark gray. I'm not sure if it's cool or warm tone. There's the black, let's do it. And then a Full Metal, which is a darker like gray. So these down the middle are all silvery colors, and then this is like a shimmery black that looks like it's got like a green cast to it. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, how pretty. This is gonna be fun to play with. That's this one. Let's see. This is strong. Wow, look at that. Nice color payoff. I'm going to try to not make this video so long, so I don't know how many of these I'm going to swatch, but And I'm out of makeup wipes, so I'm gonna use a little bit of a, oh, I have my brush cleaner. Let me grab that. I can clean my hands. I make my own brush cleaner at home, so we'll just use a little of the brush cleaner that I made. Wipe that off. I got a towel right next to me, so let's see. Let's try. Woo! Those black ones are, those dark ones are harsh. They stained a little bit. Like, does not want to come off. So, let's see. Let's see this one. That's really pretty. Alrighty, so that's the Blow and Smoke palette. That is going to be fun to play with. We'll see what you guys vote on next. Which ones you like really want to see. And we'll see if Blow and Smoke gets the award for the one that you want to see next. So this one comes wrapped in bubble wrap. So these are the 6. They come in one big box. It's called the Dream Big. So let's open the big box with the 6 palettes in it. So you slide it out. This actually has a nice feel to it. Let's see if we can. Yeah, these bad boys are on there. I'm going to have to get an oil and take them off. So I don't know how many of these we're going to swatch. Oh, so this is how it comes. Let me move back some so you can see all of them. We've got a red palette, an orange, a yellow one. That's the one I'm going to use. A green, a blue, and a purple. So maybe we'll open them so we can see what they each look like. Let's see. The purple wants to come out first. So the purple is called It's My Pleasure. Same plastic packaging as the Blow and Smoke palette. It's a purple monochromatic, same mirror. I'm not going to worry about taking that off because that took me forever last time. Look how pretty. This one has some shimmers. It has some glitters. It's all like monochromatic purples and pinks. We've got Kitten, Do or Doe, Pretty Cruel, Bare Minimum, Earthshine, Chicklet, Mr. Sandman, Fan Fiction, and Sleeper. Okay. How pretty. Oh my God. These are so pretty. Look at that. I have a mole right there, so definitely colored my mole well. Let's see. Let's go into this one. So I'm also testing to see if these palettes, like especially the yellow one, if they are like Jackie Ina says, chocolate girl friendly. Because I mean, you know, a lot of times when you order things, they aren't always, as we say, chocolate girl friendly. So this one definitely looks to be. The black one also looks to be. But the big two that I'm really worried about are the green one and the yellow one. Because they can look kind of washed out, you know. Because the green is it's a minty palette. I've seen it so far. Let's see. We got a lot going on here. So this one is called Blue Moon. It's the monochromatic blue palette. Such a big mess here. Has the same mirror, same plastic packaging, easy to travel with. These blues are gorgeous. I have not had a nice blue palette in such a long time, so I am very excited to try these blues. This is so very pretty to me. Look at this. Oh my God, I love this. Let's see. So we've got Lumi, The Baddie, Moonlight, Starry Eyed, Billie Jean. Love that. Tide Pool, Mad About You, Fine China, and Clued In. Clued In, it's a nice dark blue. Look at how pretty that is. I'm going to have fun with this one too. Let's see. The other arm is getting a little full. Ooh, look at that. Oh, these are so, like, I cannot wait to play in this. Y'all know last year I wore like blue for my birthday, and since my birthday is next week, hey Aquarians, maybe I'll do another blue for my birthday again this year, but those are just a couple of the blues in that one. I'm so glad that I didn't put on like the sweater that I plan on wearing today, because it would have gotten totally ruined. Let's see, let's open the Orange Glad. I'm gonna take them all out because, okay, so this is some funky packaging. Oh, and I didn't notice, so like they have the name of each one and on the bottom of the box. So that is pretty cool. Let's see, we said we're going with Orange Glad. This is another one that we need to find out if it's Chocolate Girl Pretty. Look at how pretty these ones are. So we've got Zested, Squeeze Me, Creamsicle, Rise and Grind, Clementine, Sunkissed, Tangerine Dream, Mimosa Mommy, and You Peel Me. I like that. So this is another one we definitely have to test and see if it's Chocolate Girl Pretty, but definitely beautiful color payoff. I'm wondering about how this shimmery, this glittery one in the middle. Okay, so it's definitely, oh, chunky glitters. Definitely very chunky. So you may want to use a glitter glue that's, you know, eye friendly for this one, because those glitters are very like weird and chunky. So definitely wonder how those are going to pay off. You can always use, like, if you don't have glitter glue, you can always use lash glue. You just have to be really, really careful with it. It's not something that I suggest, but it'll do in a pinch when you don't have any. So let's see. This one is Just My Luck, the green one. Ooh, it's got like a greeny yellow glitter in the middle. So this one has Chances Are, Kiss My Haas, like Haas avocado. That's cute. So Big Banks, Mary Jane, Olive You, like olive oil. That's cute. Act Natural, Mobama, and Charmed. So it's got a brown in it as well. That's different, but I guess that's to give you that nice, you know, blend. So these are the ones that I'm worried about being Chocolate Girl friendly, because I saw Raw Beauty Christie use them and they were very minty. So who knows what that one will look like. Again, leave me a comment below. Let me know which one you want to see next. I'm sorry. This one is called Main Squeeze. So it is mostly a reddy, pinky sort of vibe. How pretty. Oh, I can't wait to play in this one. So we got Frosé, Juicy Fruit, Home Slice, Like It's Hot, Maraschino, Big Gulp, Send Money, Baywatch, and Red Bottoms. These are gonna be so pretty. So these are reds that have like undertones to them. Like these ones here have like a pink undertone. This one has sort of like an orangey undertone. So it's a red palette, but it gives you those different kind of undertones in it. How pretty is that gonna be? That one is probably going to be spectacular. Excited to try this too. Perfect for Valentine's Day, which is also next week. Do y'all have Valentine's Day plans? Let me know what y'all got going on. Okay, so this one is different. This is another one that has the glitter in the middle that I'm pretty sure chunky glitters that you are going to have to use. Like, yeah. So I don't think that I'm going to be using this one in the video because I am out of glitter glue. Although it's going on, it's sliding on better than the orange one did. So I don't know what the difference is that, but these are definitely chunky glitters in this yellow palette. It's called Honey. So that is the one I'm going to be doing next. We got Stinger, Sunburst, Sweet Spot, Dandy, Palooza, Queen Bee, Totally Buggin', love this color, Oh Behave, and Buzzkill, which is like a mustardy, sort of yellowy brown kind of color. So that is all of the packets. That is my Colourpop unboxing. My next video, I'm going to be using the Honey. So you let me know what one you want to see after the Honey. They also each have the colors like on the back of the packaging as well. Nice plastic. Each one comes with a nice mirror. So that's my Colourpop unboxing. We'll be doing a little series, so you'll get like 7 of these videos out. So I can use each one and just kind of go through the colors, show you how they are, how they feel. This was just a beginning, opening, just to let you know how it is. So once again, let me know which one you want to see me do next after Honey. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for coming in, popping in, joining me for this unboxing. And I hope to see you again soon, lovies. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.